let me execute those tests. During the execution, we'll be collecting coverage data, and we can see that we are getting quite a decent coverage for item service class, 86%. It is a very high number. But on top of that, we are also getting recommendations from the tool. Some of those recommendations are related to potential setup problems. Some are related to exceptions being thrown. Some are related to possibly mockable method calls. Some are related to uncovered code or missing assertions. For example, this first one is telling us that assertion failed during test run because an unexpected exception was thrown. We can mark this exception as expected, and the next time we execute the test, we should not get failure, but this test should pass. But I want to focus on one particular test, that is test for update item method. I can select it from the list, and only recommendations linked to this particular test will be highlighted. So there are some possibly mockable method calls. But what will be particularly interesting for me will be to see which lines of code have not been covered and whether we get a recommendation that we can do something about it. So I'll focus on this one recommendation at the end of the list. It says that uncovered code has been detected, and I can modify or duplicate an existing test case to cover the code. Furthermore, I am getting hint that to cover the code, item repository exists by name method should evaluate to true. So I can easily clone this test, and I can make sure that exists by name method is in fact returning true. And if I execute this test now, I should hopefully get those two lines of code covered. And here we go. This way, we were able to further enhance the coverage that I'm getting on that particular class.